Diego, what are you doing here?
Sightseeing. Looking for Sid, same as you.
Well, aren't you noble?
This is not the time, guys. We need all the help we can get.
Oh! Never mind.
Are you nuts? We're not getting on that thing.
It's either this dinosaur or that one.
Don't ever yabba dabba do that again.